100,000 Kenya shillings. Can you finish this in 2 hours? You can?
I can.
Monster. Lake Victoria. And we are waiting for the fishermen to arrive with some fish. So, oh, Shingapi. Let's look for some fish. This is my second time coming to Homa Bay. I was in Homa Bay 2 years ago, and I'm back. Ah, 12.
Yeah, 12.3 kg.
How many?
10.8.
Yeah, you see. It's 1,000 off. Wow.
It's so delicious compared to the other one. But waromage, lakini the bigger ones. The bigger ones are being sold so quick.
I don't know, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Now offer to 360.
You want to come on? When you are in Yabohanze, you will never go hungry.
It's called mudfish.
Wow. Alright guys, let's get started.
Yeah.
We're gonna start with this one, this monster. Guys, this is the process of cooking a monster fish. As the fish is being prepared over there, this is also being prepared. This is the grave where it's going to be buried for hours. The fish will be cooked here. Mad, strong men.
2 hours if we want to be very sure that it's cooked.
2 hours.
Yeah, so that because it's thick.
Yeah.
So we want to make sure that it's cooked. We rather overcook it than undercook it.
Yeah, that's true.
Big sizes. This one is now covered.
Okay. So guys, oh, yeah, man, this is where we're gonna cook this fish. Okay. Hey, it's almost ready. So many firewood.
So many firewood. Very soon it turns to charcoal, then we put the fish on top.
Without the flames, eh?
Without the flames.
That's
the
heat.
hot stones and the heat.
Wow, guys, this is serious business. The rain is coming.
Nakaibalance. Mabaki na mvua.
Guys, it's raining. Okay, let's go. Usifunike moto. So the fish is buried.
This one will burn. You see, like the one inside? You want to make it look like that. It will cook. Now the sand has to dry, then the heat will go in.
The fire is out.
Oga. Putting fire.
The fire don't come out. 10 more minutes. So it's ready?
I think it's ready.
It's been over 2 hours. Mad. Guys, the long awaited time is there.
Too hot?
Too hot, yeah? This is the first time I'm seeing fish being cooked like this. Nice. Iko sawa. Iko sawa. Man, I can perceive this. Guys, this smells delicious. It must be delicious. Oh, this is good.
Mama, come and join.
Mama, this is good. Oh my god. So good. Who taught you?
I just saw it. I mean,
Imagine
I
it.
imagined it, yes.
Wow. The mind is a weapon.
The tomato.
Nigerian Ogali, that's about 100,000 Kenya shillings. Can you finish this in 2 hours? You
I
can't?
can.
100,000.
I can.
100,000 Kenya shillings. Can you finish this in 2 hours? Comment below. With 100,000 Kenya shillings, can you finish this in 2 hours? Who can finish this?
In 2 hours.
I'll
2
give
hours
you
is a lot of
100,000 Kenya shillings. Can you finish this in 2 hours?
2 hours.
You're the mad. Tamari.
time. It is a town, right?
One town.
You don't want to try?
Thank you.
Pepe, hapa.
Oh, happy.
Whoa, choose the soup.
There's so much meat here. So much.
So many. These are meats now.
Vanessa, eat fish. Eat fish. The fish was more sweet when it was hot.
Where's that dog? Simba.
It's not our dog actually. Normally, it just walks around.
Ah, okay.
Visits us, yeah. Kuleni too.
Alright guys, it's been a wonderful day here, eating the monster fish here in Yabohanze, African village. So my next video is gonna blow your mind, so check out the next video and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for the food,
Yeah.
guys, go check her out on YouTube.
African
Her name
village
is
activities.
African Village Activities. She does all the African cookings and all of that, so go check her out. You might see the channel in the description below. So with that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao. If you want to make your travel very easy access to internet, easy access to 5G network, you need to join Holofly, because that's what I use to stay connected. And if you want to get it cheaper, use my promo code over there, KNT Shows. Do you know Holofly?
I don't know.
You don't know? I want to be a traveler.
Yeah, I want to be a traveler. That's why I want to learn more from you.
Wherever you go in the world, it helps you stay connected. And one good thing is, with my promo code,
Yes.
you're gonna get, instead of you paying, for example, instead of you paying like $2,
Yes.
you end up paying like $1.50 or $1.20 or 70 cents.
Wow.
So with my promo code,
That one is very important, because sometimes
Yes.
I have been out of the country, maybe in Tanzania before. I went in Uganda too, but it was very bad. I had to be connected.
If you're going anywhere in the world and you want easy access to the internet at a very affordable rate, you need to use my promo code and join Holofly. Say Holofly.
Holofly. Holofly.
Alright guys.
Hey,
so
that is a real fly. It's going everywhere.
yeah, it keeps you flying.
Yeah, because if you can still communicate with your people from home without even WhatsApp,
Yeah?
but through your network,
Yes.
that can be good, man.
Yes now.
Yeah.
Yes, without SIM card, just eSIM.
Man.
Stay connected everywhere. This is my Yugunos mansion.
Yes.
This one is still under construction. There are two there.
Exactly. This is YouTube village, my
This is
friend.
YouTube village.
This is YouTube village. When you are here, you are in YouTube family. But then in this area where we live, I think 2 or 3 family are the only one are not YouTubers.
Oh, okay.
But all of them mostly
Everybody.
found their YouTubers there, or if not a home of YouTuber, but you found their son or their children
They
is
must be YouTuber.
Yeah. So that is the good things with our village here right now.
Mado, this is vintage.
This is German. Even you have an air condition.
We may change our mind. I can tell good
money is the enemy of life. Do you realize that? Man, so that is how life started officially in Nyaboanse.
I ain't going nowhere, always feels so very right. When you find good love, it's the one that you should keep. And if we settle down, we don't have to settle down. Please don't be